I'm Jo Harder, and welcome to my course, Citrix Application Delivery Controller Troubleshooting. As a Citrix technology professional, cloud architect, and independent consultant, I've worked with Citrix ADC since the early NetScaler days. In this course, you'll learn about addressing issues that may arise with Citrix ADC. No matter how perfect your implementation, Citrix ADC is a complicated component, and some amount of in-depth troubleshooting will be required at times. This course will teach you how to identify issues and use the inherent tools to work towards faster resolution. In addition, I'll walk you through numerous demos and examples that are peppered throughout the learning materials. In this course, we'll focus on identifying issues, ADC inherent tools, application delivery management, or ADM, as well as issues and resolutions. By the end of this course, you'll have a good understanding about the best ways to address a variety of issues, including how to use the inherent tools. To get the most out of this course, you should be familiar with the previous courses in the Citrix ADC series and have a basic understanding of Citrix virtual apps and desktops. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn about Citrix ADC troubleshooting at Pluralsight.